Today I'm going to show you how to create an issue in Jira. Okay, so the first thing we need to know is that the terminology within Jira is changing. So what used to be issues is now actually work items. So what you want to do now is go over to one of your spaces, which actually used to be called projects. I'm going to go ahead and use this example project or space over here. And quite simply, you're going to click on create up at the top. Over here, again, you can choose your space and your work type, which is actually your issue. So here we can choose either an epic, a feature, a task. And if you would like to add additional work items, okay, go ahead, click on add work type. Here you can select your work type. So it'll either be a bug. This will help you track problems or errors. Stories, track functionalities or features expressed as user goals, and then you can customize it. So let's say we want to say customer inquiries, and let's give it a description. Customers submitting contact us forms from websites. Right, once you're done here, you're going to click on add. You can also change this icon over here. So let's just say, for example, we want to have it a little light bulb. Click on add. Now this will take a few minutes to actually be able to be used. So under work type, you won't see it always immediately, but right now we've got customer inquiries. Here you can change the immediate status. So already you can say in progress, or you can create a new status. So for example, we're going to say incoming, and you can change what category it's in. So we're going to say it's in progress. Let's say create. Here you can quite frankly see we've got our statuses, we've got incoming. Let's go and give it a summary. Your summary is inquiries that are not yet replied to. You can add a description in over here. You can assign somebody to this. You can select a label, a parent over here. So you can show everything marked as done. For now, we're going to leave that at is. A due date, we're going to leave that blank because they'll be coming in individually. You can also choose your team here. It'll give you a drop-down menu, and then a start date, your fix versions, and then the reporter. Add attachments. You can also add blocks, and you can restrict it to either members, administrators, or viewers. You can flag this as well, and then you can just immediately create another. Let's go ahead. Let's create over here. Now, this custom over here is now inquiries. Let's go into create, and we are going to go to work type, customer inquiries, and here you're going to give it a summary, whatever the summary is, and you can now go ahead and say create. Now that'll be there forever. You can just continue using these customer inquiries.